Hello, my dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. You know, all educational institution coaching center is closed because of the global COVID-19. But you have to continue your studies. So today I have come to Muhammad Mansur Alam online to take our virtual class on behalf of Nagendranath Mahajan High School. Listen carefully and attentively to my class. I will short description about narration. Let's start our narration. Do you know what is narration? In English as our mother tongue, we may report messages, comments, requests is called a narration. Do you know how many kinds of narration? Narration are kinds of two. Direct narration and indirect narration. What is direct narration? We make multi-sexual word. This is called direct narration. Follow the example. Rohim says, I am ill. What is indirect narration? We may report without putting his exact word. This is called indirect narration. Follow the example. Rohim says that he is ill. How many parts of narration? How many parts of direct narration? Direct narration are parts of two. Reporting verb, reported speech. Follow the example. Nunobi said, is identified to the reporting verb. He will be a teacher, reported speech. What is reporting verb? A reporting verb is the statement of the person who reports about something. We use reported speech when we are speaking, writing about something that another person said. What is reported speech? A reported speech is the statement what is being reported by speaking. This statement. This statement is made by one person but reported by another person. Narration of assertive. What is an assertive sentence? A sentence that makes a statement or declaration or assertion is called an assertive sentence. General rules. Reporting verb is changed into tell, told, say, said. That is used as a linking word. The auxiliary verb in the reported speech is used after the subject. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense in the reported speech is not changed. Follow the example. Nabila says, it's a direct narration. I am ill. Indirect narration. Nabila says that she is ill. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the verb in the reported speech is changed into the past tense. Follow the example. He said to me, you are reading a book. He told me that I was reading a book. If the reporting verb is in the past tense and the verb of the reported speech is in the past indefinite tense, it says into the past perfect tense. Follow the example. Rahman said to me, I saw a picture. Indirect. Rahman told me that he had seen a picture. If the reporting verb is in the past tense and the verb is in the repeated speech is in the continuous tense. It changes into the past perfect continuous tense. Usman sir said to me, I was reading an English book. Indirect, Usman sir told me that he had been reading an English book. If you don't understand, make a note and let me comments. Stay healthy, stay well, stay safe, stay at home. Wishing everyone, I am finishing my lesson here like today. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.